Print area is a pretty neat feature in that it allows you to specify the portions of your worksheet that you want to print out. By default, Excel is going to start at A1, which is right here, and work its way out, down and out to the right as far as printing things out. That's by default. You can change this. So let's say that I only wanted to print out this, for example, or if I wanted to just print out this, I could set that up by using a print area. So let's talk about how we get there. First, let's assume that you're here at the Home tab. And then, like I said in the last video, everything's under the print layout. A lot of our stuff that we're going to be dealing with is over here under print layout. Here, you have your print area. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to select the area. I want to select the cells that I want to include in this print area. I'm going to highlight them. I'm then going to go to print area. I'm going to click the drop down. I'm going to click set print area. And now it has been set. You notice the name box over here is changed too. Let me click off of it to make sure we have it. I'm going to go to the drop down and go to print area. We can see if this works. Let's see if this works. We're going to go to view and we're going to go to page break preview. And you can see that this is what's going to print. That right here is going to print. If I want to get rid of it, let's go back to normal view. We'll go back to page layout. If I want to get rid of it, then all I have to do is select it, go to print area, and do clear print areas. And it's gone.